Ever heard the saying, mind the gap? Well, sure you have. From sports to business, odds are you hear this phrase frequently, but do you really know what it means? It originates from the London Underground rail system. The phrase is an audible and visual warning to passengers to be careful when they're crossing that space between the station platform and the train door. I can't think of a better war cry for the collision repair industry right now than mind the gap. For many repairers today, you feel like you're standing on this platform watching a variety of trains race by you at light rail speeds. From training to equipment, to legal, to OEM requirements, it seems like the industry has become a runaway train. If we're going to go from the stationary platform to the train, well, we've got to mind the gap. And that's what GreenPrinting, a culture of profit, teaches each shop. Stop listening to people or companies that want to save you money and start focusing on how you can make money. To do that, well, you need a proven process that brings vehicles in, builds a repair map, and then translates that to a final and profitable repair bill. That's what GreenPrinting does. It's not blue, it's not lean, it's green, and it's like nothing you've ever experienced before. Get off the platform and get ready for GreenPrinting.